So I've got my MOT coming up and I have a smashed rear indicator which happened a few weeks ago while I was filming some videos playing around with a friend. My bike managed to fall over in the wind, so I'm going to be fitting these new LED temporary indicators. They're not going to be a permanent fixture because I do have a tail tidy going on as well as a Trident exhaust. Here's the indicators that we will be fitting. And we're also going to need a 3-pin LED flasher relay to stop with the Hyperflash. Let me go get the bike so we can get started. Let's take off the seat. To do so you need to peel back the end of it and take out these bolts, which can be a bit of a pig to get to. Now the seat's off, we'll need to take off these 4 bolts so we can remove that part of the fairing. Now initially I removed the grub rail, but it's not actually necessary to get to the bolts to drop down the tail. I took the grub rail off because I wasn't planning on putting it back on, but once I fitted the seat back there was 2 large holes either side of it and I really didn't like the look of it, so I decided to refit the grub rail temporarily. Now I will be taking the grub rail off eventually. I do have a seat cowl that's going on, I just need to get that painted first. So temporarily the grub rail is going back on. So to remove this you need to take this off, so you need to take these bolts out as well. So let's get through the MOT. Let's put the temporary ones on, let's install those, drill out the old piece of rubbish tail tidy that's going in the bin afterwards anyway. I need to drill out the holes slightly to a larger diameter to fit the temporary indicators in, but the whole tail is going in the bin once the exhaust and the new tail tidy is fitted anyway, so there's not really an issue with drilling into it just to fit these indicators. A quick test, and we can also see that we definitely need to fit the LED relay to stop with the Hyperflash. Perfect sized hole, it's nice and tight like a toy gun. Now let's fit it all back together. All this will need to come off again in a couple of weeks when we fit the new Trident exhaust. At the bottom here there's a groove for the fairing to fit into. These are only temporary indicators, but I'm going to be honest, I actually quite like how they look. Let me know what you guys think of them in the comment section. I do have much smarter ones going on once the tail tidy fits, but we need to fit that relay. Let's do a quick time lapse because we need to get those body panels off. So that's the indicators fitted, and that's the new relay swapped over. So let's take a quick look. All that's left to do now is put the side fairing back on, and then next week I'll take it for its MOT. So guys, these are the temporary indicators. Like I said, I'll be honest, I quite like them. Thanks for watching. Coming soon, I'll be fitting a Trident exhaust as well as my tail tie ID.